First of all, when it comes to the subject of taxes regarding real estate, it is always best to consult a tax specialist for advice. It can be anticipated that the government will charge taxes on the real estate you possess. Since you're gaining a profit off of your real estate for a livelihood, it should work like any other income from a job that you may have. You can take advantage of several tax breaks for your real estate, all of which will help you with the ownership of your property. If you own a home, then you can expect certain components of it to become tax deductible. All home-related expenses and refinancing that you decide to perform on your home will be a way for you to deduct a portion of that money at the end of the year. You can also receive tax deductions from some of the interest that you pay on the mortgage. If you just own a home, or if you're considering home equity, with the help of a tax professional, you can easily find a way to take advantage of the tax breaks on what you would owe. When you're working on owning a home, you will be paying property taxes in your monthly mortgage payment towards your loan. If you've been paying these taxes throughout the year, they will be deductible from your income tax. In order to ensure this is part of the deduction, you will have to get a mortgage statement from the financial institution holding the loan, from which you will find the amount of interest that has been paid for the year towards the property taxes through your monthly mortgage payments. You can apply for a request for tax relief if you have to sell your property and you owe taxes. If it is determined that there is a significant cause in selling your home, this will be conveyed to you by the IRS. Then the IRS will be able to give you some benefit in taxes if there are extenuating circumstances that have forced you to sell your home. By filing the necessary forms and conditions, you can easily profit by gaining tax relief with your ownership. You can find out how to do this by researching the possibilities of categories available for receiving a tax break for the year, or by consulting with a tax professional.